So today is the last demo. Let me revise for 1 or 2 minutes regarding our course. It is a fast track batch. The duration of the course is 45 days. Monday to Friday classes will be there. The timings is 7 p.m. So 7 to 8 classes will be there for 1.5 week or 2 weeks. After that, 7 to 7:15, 7:20 like that we will take. Fees is 5,000. These are the demo classes. Okay, I am sharing in the chat window. And the syllabus I already explained even in the last classes I shared. Then what benefits you are going to get, I already repeated. Next, last class, we started Java history. One topic, data types topic we completed. So, but after that, we came to the beginning, like introduction part, Java history. What is mean by Java? Who invented Java? So, how the evaluation has taken, everything I explained. Then there are 3 editions of Java are existed. One is a standard edition. Second one is enterprise edition. Third one is micro edition. What things will be there in standard edition? What components are there in enterprise edition? When we have to go for micro edition, of course, which is not recommended. And what are the different versions of Java existed? The first version came in 1996, Java 1.0, and the latest version is Java 23, which came in the month of September 2024. So I will explain the installation process and all later. Okay. Now, so data types we completed. The next thing is what are the softwares? Okay, what are the softwares required? Softwares required to run Java application. Sir, I want to prepare one small Java program and I want to execute in my local mission. So, what are the different tools required? Compulsory we need to identify, right? So the first one is nothing but we need editors. We need editors. Sir, what is the purpose of editor? To type the programs. If you want to type the programs, then we need editors. What editors are needed? Very simple, sir. We need Notepad editor. Okay. Or you can choose Notepad plus plus, or you can go with Sublime Text, or you can use Edit plus, or you can go with Autumn Editor, or VS Code. Any editors you can use. Don't worry. At very beginning for fundamentals, I am going to use Edit plus. After that, we will see all the things in Sublime Text. These editors are mandatory. Okay, so I request you to install Notepad plus plus, Sublime Text, Edit plus, or VS Code. Okay, your choice. And second thing, we need one beautiful command prompt. We are not required to install this. So it is by default existed in every operating system. In every Windows operating system, this command prompt will be there with the title command prompt or CMD or PowerShell. So even in other operating systems also, we have different terminals are there. Then third one, so we need Java latest version. We have to download and we have to install Java latest version. As I said in today's class, we need to install Java 23. How to install Java 23, I will demonstrate. Okay, don't worry at all. So these are nothing but the main softwares which are needed. So up to fundamentals, I am going to use these softwares, friends. But once fundamentals got completed, then we have to depends on some IDEs also. There are so many IDEs are there. The first IDE which I am going to demonstrate is Eclipse. Then we are going to use IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, next we are going to use NetBeans. So how to work with all these things I'm going to demonstrate, don't worry at all. So these IDEs I will install and I will demonstrate installation process also, and I will explain how to run the programs. These are the softwares which are needed to run our Java application. In this entire course, whatever editors I typed, whatever IDs I typed, everything I will demonstrate how to install and how to work on that. So different topics I will explain in different IDs. Okay. So any questions up to this?
No, sir.
Please respond, everyone. Don't please be silent. I request everyone to please actively participate.
No, sir.
Then next one, steps to execute. Steps to execute Java application. Sir, I want to write a simple Java program. So what are the steps that we have to follow? Don't worry, I will explain the steps one by one. Okay, I will explain the steps one by one. One second. Yeah. So we will see what are the steps to execute Java application. So don't worry if you are unable to understand. By seeing multiple examples, you will get clarity. But till that, so please wait and please focus. Step by step, I will explain. There are 6 steps are there. First step, we have to select any proper editors. We have to select any proper editor for writing Java program. So we have to take a proper editor for writing Java program. Sir, at very beginning, I will take Notepad for writing my Java program. Sir, this is nothing but Notepad what I have. Okay, this is nothing but Notepad what I have. So I need to type the program here. What is the second step? Second step is we have to write Java program. Sir, we have to write Java program based on syntax rules. Syntax rules given by Sun Microsystems and Oracle. We have to write a Java program based on the rules. Don't worry about the syntax. As of now, I will type the program. Soon you will get a clarity about that program. So every program is going to have a class test. So inside this, we need to take public static void main within bracket string array arguments. So then inside this, we have to print some message. How to print the message? Here I am going to take so system.out.println of so good evening, something like this I am going to print. But what is this class? What is this test? What is this public static? Everything I will explain. Don't worry. As of now, it is a Java program. Sir, I typed the Java program. What is the next step? We have to save the Java. We have to save the Java file in proper location with extension as .java, with extension as .java. So I typed the program, sir. Go to file and click on save. Select any location. Generally, I'm going to save the file in C drive. So what is our batch? So I will create a new folder with name so Prakash classes. Sir, inside this, I'm going to create a folder. What is that folder? I'm taking Java 7. Okay. So Java 7 p.m. Like this, I'm going to take because our batch timings, right? Java 7 p.m. Like this, I'm taking. That's all. Now, inside this, I want to save the file as test.java. Test.java. And in the bottom, you have to select all the files. I told any file name you can give, but dot extension must be what? .java. Yes, my file is ready. This is my file. Sir, what is the file name that you have given? Test.java. And what is the content? This is the content. And it is a good programming practice. what class name you have taken, same name you have to use for file name also. If you want, you can change. If we change, what will happen? That part I will take care later. These are nothing but the first part of our Java program. Again, I am repeating. First step is what? We have to select any editor and we need to write the Java program based on rules and regulations. And we need to save the file in a proper location with extension as .java. Okay. Are you clear with these 3 steps? Please confirm.
Yes, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
If you are having any question, even silly question, please let me know. Any question?
No questions, sir.
Right. So what is the next step? Sir, fourth step, we have to open command prompt. We have to open command prompt and move to the location where we saved our file. We have to move to the location where we saved our file. I am opening command prompt. Just you can go to run and you can type CMD. Automatically, you are going to get the command prompt. Sir, in which location you saved? CD backslash. In C drive, there is one folder with name Prakash classes. Inside that Java 7 PM, here I saved the file. So we have to enter into that proper location. Don't worry, multiple times I will explain these commands and all. Don't worry at all. Sir, I opened the command prompt and I moved to the location where we saved our file. Up to this, any questions? Up to
No,
this,
sir.
any questions?
No, sir.
Right. What is the next step? We came to the final phase. We have to compile Java program by using which command? Java C command. There is one command is there called Java C. By using this command, we have to compile the program. Now type that command Java C. What is the file name? Test.java. Yes. If there is any error, it will display that error. If there is no error, it will return to the command prompt like this. Sir, there is no error. Your program is perfect. Now, what is the next step? We can run the Java file. We can run the Java file by using which command? Java command. We have to use Java command to run the file. Java space, what is the class name? Test. What is the message that we got? Good evening. Have you observed? Simply, I created one program to display good evening message and I saved the file. And in which location I saved, I entered into that location and I compiled by using Java C command and I executed by using Java command. So do you have any queries on this? Please confirm.
I am having error.
Hmm.
Could not find or load the main class test. I think because I've saved.
You are doing parallelly.
Yeah, but I think I've
Then
saved it because the class name is test with capital T, but I think I have saved it with small t for the test.
Yes, that is
So
the
that's the
problem.
error.
Don't worry,
Yeah.
don't worry. I will clarify all your errors. As of now, just listen.
Yeah.
Okay, I will explain.
Thank you.
Right, sir. Clear, guys. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions? No. So note. So Java is case sensitive programming language. What is mean by case sensitive? Lower case letters and uppercase letters are different. Okay. So Prakash and so Prakash are different, not same. Why? Because Java is case sensitive. it will treat lowercase letters and uppercase letters as a different. Please make sure it is not same. Okay, so this is very, very important while writing the program. Okay, second note, sir, how to compile the file? While compiling, you have to remember this syntax. So compilation, okay, compilation. What is the syntax for compilation? Java C file name dot Java. In which order you saved, same name you have to take. Then how to execute the Java program? For executing, you need to take Java space class name. That is the reason. That is the reason it is recommended. It is recommended to save file name as a class name, as a class name, as a class name. So where case is important, case is important. Okay, suppose if you saved with test.java, while running, what you have to do? You have to use a test. Suppose if you have saved with test.java, while running, if you are taking test, what will happen? It is error, right? Suppose while saving, if you have given test.java, at the time of execution, you have to give test. So while saving, if you have given test.java, while executing, if you give test, then we will get error. Understood? Sir, is these points are clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
So now you may have only one doubt. What is the doubt is, sir, what is class, what is test, what is public, what is static and all. But don't worry, as of now, slowly in the Monday class, completely we are going to focus on this particular program exploration only. So everything like what is public, what is static, void means what, so can I replace, so all these things step by step I will demonstrate on Monday. So till that, don't keep anything in your mind, just observe that this is the program syntax, that's all. Now sir, I will take some examples so that you can understand well. First example, sir, generally I want to use Notepad. Instead of that, I will use this editor. What is this editor? Edit Plus. Why I am using this Edit Plus editor in the sense, go to File and click on Java or click on C++. What things you observed? Have you seen? It is taking the default skeleton. Compulsory every program should have hash include, it should have a main method, and rest of the code you can write like that. It is giving some kind of auto completion code. So same, if you select Java, you can see it is blinking on class name, rest of the things are already given. What is your task? Try to give the class name. Sir, I have given class name as a and the message I want to change like good evening, something like that. That's all. So we are not required to type everything. That is the advantage of these editors. Okay. Now, tell me, if I want to save this file, what file name we have to give? Please confirm.
A,
A
sir.
Capital A
Java.
or small a?
Capital
Capital
A
A.
dot Java.
Capital A dot Java we have to give. Correct? Huh? Now,
Yes, sir.
I'm going to save this. In which location we have to save? Already C drive is there. So Prakash classes inside this Java 7 PM, I'm taking capital A dot Java. Now, how to compile the code? Java C space. Suppose if I'm taking small a dot Java, is it going to work or not? Please confirm.
No.
So it is compiling because my Windows operating system is considering capital A and small a as the same, but not Java. Okay. So Java space capital A dot Java. Have you observed? Sorry. Java C space capital A dot Java. Now, while running, I am taking Java space capital A. What is output? Good evening. If you take small a, what will happen? Sir, error. Could not find or load main class called A. Sir, it is always searching for main. Main is present in one class, right? That class name only this A. Sir, there is no class with name A. Caused by java.lang. No class def. There is no class definition found. What is a class name? Small a. Wrong name you have given. You need to give capital A. Like that, it is giving suggestions also. Okay, it is giving suggestions also. I hope everyone understood what is the things are running in the background. By seeing these small code snippets, you are going to get some idea on Java programs. Any questions?
I have one question, please.
Please, madam, you can.
So when I compile with the different compile with the small test dot Java, and then I did Java and test, I got the half of the error. So I got that key, could not find the class test, but I didn't get the error which you have shown us, that no class definition, something like that.
Okay, madam, because the version which I am using is different. The version which you are using is different. Do one thing, just type this command. So Java C -version, type this command and see what version you are getting in your system. Please check it.
1.8 Red Hat version.
I will do one thing for your clarity purpose. 1 second. Okay, 1 second, 1 second. Is it the error message that you are getting?
Yeah.
So extra messages you are not getting, because now
Correct.
my system is using which version? 1.8. Same version you are using. So
Yeah.
version to version there is a difference. Understood?
Sure.
Is it advantage or disadvantage? Because if you are getting message like this, and if you are getting a message like this, which is more meaningful? This one, right?
This one. Yeah.
So these are the small things in Java updates they are going to release. Got it?
Yeah.
Any other questions? Sir, please confirm everyone understood.
Can I run like 2 different version of Java on one machine then, as you changed?
Yes, we can run. I will show you how to do that and all. Don't worry.
Okay.
When I am taking Java new features, there I will explain. Because in Java new features, I'm going to take a program. So I need to execute this in 1.8. I will show you, or 1.7. So I will show you where the error is coming, and 1.8 how it is working. Because if I want to demonstrate any one feature in 1.8, it should not work in 1.7. That also I need to show, right?
Yeah.
So for that, different versions we can switch. So how to do that, I will explain.
Yeah.
Any other questions? Right. Now, one more program I am going to take. Okay, one more program I am taking. Listen. So Java program, I am saving the Java program as a AAA. Let it be hello world. I'm saving with BBB.java. Observe carefully. So my file name, okay, my file name is BBB.java, but my class name is AAA. While compiling, how to compile? One sec. See, so Java C, we have to give file name or class name.
So
Please
first
respond.
file name.
File name. What is the file name that I have given for this program?
AAA.
No.
Triple B.
While saving, I have given triple B, right?
Triple B. Okay.
So triple B dot Java. By mistake, if you are trying to compile by using triple A, it will show file not found. The file which you are searching is not there. So I saved with triple B. Suppose if you are trying to compile by using triple B, when you are running, what will happen? Have you observed could not find or load main class triple B caused by java.lang.class not found exception? Because class name is different, right? And you
Yeah.
can observe one more thing. In previous example, it has given this message within brackets, but here it is not giving. Why? Because their case is the problem. But here, the total spelling itself is wrong. Have you observed?
Yes, sir.
These and all developed by AI. Internally, AI is going to look all these things. So only case is the problem means it will detect you. If case is not a problem, complete thing is problem is, then it is a fault of you. So by mistake you have taken or not, it will detect and it will throw. Sir, everyone understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next. So few more conclusions. Note number one. Note number one. We can take any file name. We can take any file name and any class name. But while compiling and while running, but so while executing, what we have to do at the time of compilation, I told already with the syntax, but again I am repeating. At the time of compilation, what we need to do? Java C space file name dot
File name.
Java.
Java.
At the time of executing, what we have to take? Java space class
Class
name.
name.
This is note number one. Note number two. What is the second note is, so I will take the program and I will add that point. So generally my regular file name is always a test. Okay. I am saving with test.java. Now listen. Can I interchange this public and static? Instead of static public static, I am taking static public. Can I do like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, these are small syntactical things. We can change, there is no problem. The output what we are going to get is the same. Okay, the note which I want to take here is we can interchange public, public and static, no problem at all. Especially certification purpose, these kind of things they may give. Okay, so is it a valid code or invalid code? By seeing that static public interchanging, we will keep it is invalid, but we can interchange these two. Sir, everyone got clarity? Please confirm this note is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then note number 3. Sir, can I interchange this? Okay, I will take this static and public and static. Can I interchange this main and void? Please confirm.
No, sir.
No, we can't.
One second. Yes. So we can't do this because these are keywords, no problem, modifiers. But these are nothing but method name. Method name, what is the syntax? Function syntax. First return type, then function name. Sir, first return type and then function name. If you are trying to take like this, my Java compiler, a special person will be there called compiler. Compiler is going to raise error. Alright, this is not at all possible. This statement is error. Like that, it is going to rise. Are you clear with this note 3? What is a note 3? So we cannot interchange void and main. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
When you are trying to take what will happen? We are going to get error message in this style. Next, note number 3. Sir, up to this, no doubt, right? Please confirm.
No doubt, sir.
Now, so what I am going to do is, I am removing main method. Now, sir, is it a program, valid program?
Yeah.
Is
I
it a valid
think
program?
yes.
Yes.
Yes. Let me check. So Java C test.java. Sir, no error. Successfully compiled. Can I run this program?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What output we are expecting?
Nothing.
Hmm?
We won't have anything.
Now we have seen the behavior of compiler, but now I am explaining how execution is going to be happen. Once if you type this command, I will go inside a test class. Test class is there or not? Yes. If test
Yes.
class is there, we will get one error that already we know. Suppose if test class is there, I entered into this test class and my eyes will always go for where, sir?
Main method.
Main method, because we know the program execution always starts from
Main method.
main method. I'm searching for main, but I didn't get main. Then what will happen? Have you observed? Error. Main method is not found in the class test. Can you please define the main method with this syntax? Like that it is telling. Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So what is the conclusion here is note number 4. So without main method, we can write Java program. We can write Java program. It compiles fine. Okay, it compiles fine, but during execution, okay, during execution of the program, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. We will talk about later about that person. So Java Virtual Machine will always search for which method? Main method. So since it is not existed, so in Java program, what will happen? It will throws runtime error. During execution only we get this error, right? Runtime error saying, what is that runtime error? Main method not found. Correct? Please confirm. Is
Yes,
this
sir.
conclusion is clear for everyone?
Yeah.
Any question?
But in day-to-day application writing, we have different sort of classes, methods, but we don't like have this public static void main.
There is one special class will be there, madam, to run the program. That is called as a driver class,
Yeah,
which
that's
will
right.
control every classes. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
We won't run every class. We will run only main class. That main
Yeah.
class is going to control the remaining classes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
In a Java program, compulsory one main method should be there.
Thank you.
Right. Now, note number 4. Sorry, note number 5. Listen carefully. This is also important for certification and also for interviews. Sir, I have taken main method. Instead of string arguments, I am taking integer arguments. Can I take like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we
Now,
can do
is the
that.
code is going to compile fine or not?
Fine. No.
1 second. No, there is one mistake. Sorry. 1 second.
Oh, void main.
Void main. Sorry. Now, is the code is going to compile or not? Yes. Sir,
Yes.
now if I run the program, what is output?
Hello world.
Hello world. Correct only. Correct.
Sir, I think there would be an error.
Yes. What is that error? My main method, JVM, has clearly having instruction. There is a person with name main wearing red color cap. You need to give amount to only that particular person. But my JVM identified there is one person. with name something like this, but that cap is not red color, it is green color. No, I won't give amount because my instructions are very clear that I will identify a person with the name Prakash wearing only red cap, but this person is wearing some other color cap. I won't return money. Immediately it will throw error. Main method not found. In this format, if main method is there, then only I will search. Got it? Please confirm.
Yes,
And
sir.
if rather
Because
than
it should
hello
be
world,
string instead of.
You can take anything, madam, here. That is not at all a matter, but the execution won't start.
and if instead of hello world, if I provide any integer, would that be okay?
No, no,
Yeah.
no. First of all, it won't enter. Forget about these two lines. It won't
Okay.
enter. The control should come here, right?
Uh-huh.
So here itself it is blocking because this person is searching for string, but it found integer. So immediately it will go back.
Okay.
So then control is not at all coming to fifth line. So here,
I see.
whatever matter you are taking is not an issue. So that
So
is
it must
another
be
point.
string array.
Yes, yes. So what is the point here? We can change the type of argument in main method, okay, but during execution, it always search for string array main method. This is very, very important. Now, with this, there is one more example. Some people may write code like this. Okay, they are going to put like this. So here hello 1 and they are going to print hello 2 and they will give options. Option 1, hello 1 is the output. Option B, hello 2 is the output. So option C, so both hello 1 and hello 2 is going to be printed like that, or error message. Tell me, what is your suggestion?
But I think it will be an error because we
Error.
cannot have two main methods inside.
Yes, exactly. So your Java program should not contain how many main methods? Two main methods. Only one main method should be there for a program. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now see what will happen. Sir, my Java program is successfully compiled. There is no error. But when you are executing, which main method it will executing? Hello 2. That means string array. But sir, two main methods. Is my Java is accepting? Yes. There is one concept is there in Whoops. The people who are having idea, please just understand overloading.
Overloading.
So you can take this method any number of times, no issues, by changing these arguments. Okay.
Okay.
That and all we will discuss in Whoops in detail, sir. Don't worry. Understood, friends?
Okay, so we can take multiple main methods then, but with
Yes, yes.
different arguments.
Yes. But which main method it will execute?
The
String
string
array.
array.
Yeah.
Yes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, just to
What if
understand this.
if both have the string array but the different
Yes.
return types?
That's what I am trying to explain now. Forget about return type. Suppose if this one is also string, then tell me what is output? Hello 1 or hello 2? Or both?
Hello 1.
Hello 1. Because it came first, right? Okay. Now, what is output?
Hello to hello.
Hello 2. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, correct. Now see what will happen. I am trying to compile the code. Sir, what main method is telling? Main method is already defined. What happened to you? Again, why you are redefining? So if the content is already there, again, why you are redefining? Getting the point?
Yeah.
Sir, understood?
Yeah. So it's compile time error if we have the
How
both.
intelligently this Java compiler and Java virtual machine are playing the roles. Got it?
So that
Yeah.
means, I mean, the main method cannot be override, right?
Overriding is different, sir. Overriding means two different classes should be there, right?
Okay.
parent class, child class. But where I define main method in the same class, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So then it is wrong.
Okay. But method overriding can be possible, right?
Yes. Suppose if this is class test, if there is another class called so test one, which extends a test. So now inside this, if you are taking this hello to, then it is okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
What is this concept? Overriding. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Don't worry. In the oops, we will do post-mortem on this. Any
So, but if it,
questions?
yeah, so in the class test, as we had previously, two main methods, exactly the same, public static void main is string args. So it's not we are not doing the overloading because everything is the same. That's why we are
Yes.
compiler
Yes.
is throwing error.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So if I understand it right, I mean, it's basically we cannot define two main methods within the same scope. That's why it is throwing this error, right, sir?
Not two main methods. You have to tell two methods with the same signature. Same signature
Okay.
in the sense, same arguments, same return type you should not take. With
Okay.
different arguments you can take. That we covered previously, right?
Yeah.
So
So we
same
can have
as it. Tell me, madam.
so we can have public static int main string args and then system dot out
Yes,
println
we can
and
take.
hello
We can take. We can take.
and it will print both hello one and then the hello evening as well.
No, 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 no. It will
If
search
the
for void main, but you have given int main.
yeah, if we have
Again a
both.
problem.
So if we add on line 7 where we have the closing bracket, the same thing but with the int return type.
1 second. You are telling this one.
Yeah,
Okay. And see
and
what will
hello 2
happen
we
in this
can do.
case.
Yeah.
And see what will happen. What it is telling.
Ah, so there's
Main method is already defined because Java signature will be from method name only. It won't focus on return type. So there is
yeah.
one concept called covariant return types that I will explain later. So return type is not playing any role. So arguments and method names is very, very important. Okay.
It makes sense to me now. Thank you for writing the 7 to line 11, please.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you. No
thank you.
problem. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So this is nothing but what we have. And I think you observed one point. What is that point is explaining C program is very easy for trainer. Explaining C++ program, even Python program is very easy for trainer to the students. But explaining Java program is very difficult. Will you accept this statement?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes,
Because
sir.
there are so many elements are there in the first program itself. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. The syntax is a little weird.
That's why what happened is in the latest versions of Java, so they have removed like this. Is it easy to explain or not? Please confirm.
Yeah.
This
Slightly
is the
more
first
easy.
program. This is the second program. Which is easy to explain?
The second one.
Second one.
Second one. Understood? So
Yeah.
only for understanding purpose, only to write small code snippets in Java 21 version, they introduced this kind of main method. So from Java 21 onwards, we can write the Java program without classes. Internally, classes will be created by Java, okay, for its understanding purpose, but for the programmer it is giving just this kind of syntax only for the benefits of students and the trainers at very beginning while learning the Java. Up to oops we can take like this, but once if oops is started, compulsory class is important. Got it, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So anyway, this part I will explain on Monday's session. Our Monday program is so sample Java program explanation, complete Java program I'm going to explain next. And after that, so main method with respect to Java 21. Okay, with respect to Java 21, I'm going to demonstrate on Monday's class. And in the Monday class itself, maybe these two things I will cover. Time is going to be sufficient on Monday. Okay. So, and Monday, I'm going to give access for running notes, everything. Okay. So if you are having any queries, you can ask. This is the last demo. From Monday, we will have our regular classes at sharp 7 o'clock.
So in the second approach, if someone wants to overloading that main method, like
That's what I told. Up to whoops, only for small code snippets, we can do that. Up to fundamentals, you can enjoy that feature. Okay.
okay.
Up to strings, we can write. Even up to regular expressions, we can write. But once if you are coming to the whoops concepts, because whoops is playing the role only by multiple class declarations, stuff and all, right? So there compulsory you have to use the classes. Sir, it is also not correct. Actually, whatever you have written, it is showing for your comfortable purpose. But internally what will happen? That main method is going to be converted with classes and all. That will internally do. Got it? Whenever you are giving void main, it will prefix with public static internally.
Yes, yes.
It won't show for you. Those are called as nameless classes. Nameless classes. That is the feature which came in Java recent versions. If you want, just 1 second. Nameless classes in Java or unnamed classes. So you can see my net is a bit slow. Unnamed classes and instance main method. Have you observed? This is one of the feature. So this feature I'm not going to cover directly in our Java new features. I already prepared one video on this. I will share. Okay. So in this preview feature, directly we can write. Instead of this, what we can able to do? Sir, simply we can take void main like this. Even class is also not required. Directly we can take and we can run. Got it, sir? Have you observed here how to define the methods also it is giving? Understood?
Okay, okay.
It is a preview feature. That means only for practice purpose, not for real-time projects. Any other questions, guys?
No questions, sir.
I have one request, sir. So
Yeah,
you have
please.
mentioned that we will start at 7 o'clock, but we will finish maybe 8:30 on some of the days. But I can't wait for that in the class. So can we not, if the session is slightly longer, can we not start slightly earlier, please?
No. The class timing is fixed at 7 o'clock. But I will inform you, there is one concept called whoops. Only 1 week I'm going to spend up to 8:30. I will inform you what is that week. Maybe after 2 weeks like that. Okay.
It
Because
will be,
we should, yeah,
yeah.
maximum I will try to wind up, but we will see. So we will see the majority opinion, and compulsory weekend classes will be there. So don't blame after joining into the course. Compulsory weekend classes will be there, but not on every weekend. So I told there are some easy topics will be there. So something like pattern programming, okay, arrays, strings, then collections, files, JDBC, okay, mini project, exception handling, multi-threading. These topics I will take on weekends because 1.5 hour, 2 hours at a stretch I need to spend. So the topics are very easy. Even if you are unable to attend the class, you can watch the video and you can ask doubts. That much easy topics only I will preferably take on weekends. That prior intimation will be given 3 days before. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, right, guys. Then Monday, we will have a kind of a small quiz. Okay, we will have a kind of small quiz on this Java introduction. So whatever I told Java introduction, not data types, Java introduction. Okay, I covered, right, like who introduced Java, what are the various editions, what is the latest version and what is the first version, and remember the year also. Okay, next regarding these programs, some small points I covered, right. With this, we are going to have a quiz with 10 questions. So some questions have 1 minute time, some questions 30 seconds. Okay. So fastest finger is going to play an important role. So first 10 minutes, we will have a quiz and then we will continue. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Right,
Bye.
guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you,
See
sir.
you on Monday. Bye.
Bye-bye.
After making the payments, you will get a link, sir, through mail. Please save that link. That is a permanent link. Okay. So you will receive individually and don't share that links with anyone, because if other person is joining by using your link, it will be expired. It is only for one person. So individual links we are going to share. You need to register first and then you need to join the meeting. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, right. Anyway, I will keep display 10 minutes before itself on Monday. So if any problem is there, you can contact our admin team. So at 6:45 itself, I will keep the login, but I will start at 7 o'clock. Right, guys? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.